If you're encountering the unable to download app error on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions to help you out. This issue can be caused by network problems, storage issues, or software glitches. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Clear App Store cache. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App Store, scroll down, tap Personalized Recommendation, tap Clear App Usage Data. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi or Cellular. Ensure you're connected to a stable network and restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Check your storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Ensure you have enough available storage. Delete unused app photos or videos if necessary. Solution 3. Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, scroll down, then tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone, sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 4. Restart network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and try downloading the app again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the unable to download app error on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.